What's up, y'all? It's Katie So Cool, and I'm back with a YouTube video. Today, it's a one. Alright? Look at his get up. He all get up. Look at that. He all get up. He all get up. Got his clip right there. He got a gun right there. Look at me. This ain't mine though. I don't need 2 guns. I don't need 3 guns. It's my baby right there. Get that extendo clip. Or the clip in my pocket. Alright, we gonna have. Alright, y'all. Wait, I gotta flip y'all over. We gonna have a Nerf gun war today, y'all. Hey. Alright, y'all thinking that I ain't gonna have a mask? Y'all tripping. Mask right here. Cause if it try to hit me in my face, you know I ain't gonna feel it. But what if it go right through my eyeball? Alright.
Let me just try. I did it on
No. Alright, so let's go in the living room because my living room is bigger than my room because look how small my room is. So yeah, let's go in the living room. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Move this out the way, y'all. Move that out the way. Mom, can you close this door?
No, leave the door open.
Alright, Mom. Okay, Moms. Alright, so y'all, just the rules, right? I can't come past this wall, and he can't come past that wall. So this is the whole kitchen. We can't go past the kitchen. So I'm gonna be on this. I'm gonna be over this way in the living room, cause you be like to cheat and hide underneath there. So yeah, you ready? This gonna be y'all point of view. I'm gonna be y'all point of view like this. Alright, so this time it's gonna be like this, y'all. Y'all gonna see what I see. Yeah. Ready? Oh, I'm still on safety. Huh? Time out. Dang.
Put that down in here. Take that mask off. Put that shit down because the manager's standing right outside right now. Put it down. Take the mask off and put it down. That's what I say, and that's what I mean.
Okay.
Put it down.
We better go in our room.
No, don't go in the room or nothing. Don't shoot that shit in here. And I mean that shit. Put that shit back where you got it from and keep it there.
Okay.
Right now. What? And let me tell you again, you're gonna piss me off.
Go out the way. Got to, cause I didn't win.